campsite. We're gonna drop the stuff off, and we're gonna unload the car first. Then we're gonna go to the beach. I have to grab my bag so I can get my waterproof case and my floaty at the beach. But I'm carrying stuff right now at the beach. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of footage, but I don't think I can have to wait till the camping's over. So if you're watching this video and it's Tuesday, yeah, the video will be uploaded on Friday, probably. So yeah, I wish there was service so I could make TikToks and stuff like that, but I don't know, my phone keeps going on and off with data. I don't know, it's a little weird, but we're gonna have some fun. I'm so excited. I'm a little nervous about camping because of the whole bug situation, but I think we got this. I know my first night, I'm not gonna do my best, but I'll try. Okay, my sister thinks that I can't. I have 3 items in my hand. All my sister was carrying is just 1 item. Loser. I'm carrying more, even though my hair's in my face. I'm carrying more than she is. So the tin says do it right, and my sister didn't even do it right. How funny. Guys, at the beach. Okay guys, so I have my floaty. We're at the beach. Whoa! Can't wait to do this again in the morning. It's so much fun. Okay guys. So woo! This is the bathing suit I wore to the beach. AKA Slay. Cute bathing suit.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, cannot be the one that you need.
Okay guys, we're going to rinse off because I have sand. We have to go eat dinner, which I'm hungry, so yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go further out a little bit more. Okay, just to try. Okay, that should work, I guess. But I want to get the sand off me. Maybe if I go down like this, maybe. Ugh. Okay, that should work. But my case has a little bit of sand on it, but I think it's okay. Now it's time we have to go back